Hi, my name's Tucker Bunch. We're in my kitchen and we're cooking lamb today with Superior Farms. We're serving lamb loin chops today with harissa and a little eggplant puree. We're serving lamb loin chops today with harissa and a little eggplant puree. So the loin chops are as basic and simple and beautiful a grilling technique as you can do. Simple crosshatch mark on them. Harissa is a spicy condiment from North Africa. These chops are a great crowd pleaser, great for date night, really sophisticated, but really simple. A simple spice rub on the grill, fantastic.